All right. Today I am replacing blower motor in the E34. That's supposed to happen. Resistor probably shot 1, 2, 3, don't work. 4. Horrendous. Typically, 1, 3, and 4 don't work because your resistor might be blown, which is right there. Little blue piece. Got one coming in on, I think Tuesday to get that taken care of. Now, last night, didn't really have light or anything to start looking at it, but blower motor sits right back here. So you're gonna want to take these little 10 mil plastic nuts off of where the reservoir mounts to the firewall, right there. I'm gonna disconnect this little vacuum hose, bring it up this way. The OBD port has to come out, which is on this little bracket, which I believe is held in by just that one, and maybe another down over here. I'll have to flash a light in there. See, go ahead and disconnect this little coolant plug. Just a clip up, pull out. I'm gonna grab a bungee cord. This thing tied up out of the way. That OBD slides right onto that little post there. This bolted into that little unit there. You're gonna want to push this to the side, this down, and then you're able to access this secondary little nut there. Now I believe this guy's gonna have to come out, and there's also another one right down here in this area. So use a little light to get to that one. Still gotta knock that one out there, and then pull this trim up. We should be able to get the remainder of the blower motor assembly out of the way. This plastic black nut is taken off. You can pull this Johnny out, give her a little clean. This thing is absolutely dusted. That little bracket comes off of those two posts. That post holds something. Don't remember. I'll look at it again when I have it back together. Now this guy should start making its way off. That just holds the engine harness. Oh shit. Alright, well. Alright, finally got that last screw out down there. I thought it was not a 7 mil, but it turns out it was. Look at how nasty this thing was. My bad. Yeah, it was this one. If you're having trouble getting yours out, make sure you clean up all the gunk on the outside of it. I mean, those bottom two are absolutely disgusting. Just use a pick, try to get all the dirt from the crevices so that your 7 mil can actually fit on it. So now you should be able to just wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Give it a little bit of play, maybe. Let's look around, make sure I didn't forget anything. That pesky last screw. Look how mucked up that thing was. Like I said, clean up around it with your little pick tool, get it right out. Come right up, alright. One moment. Oh yeah. Time to go grab the shop vac, get it hooked in, clean that thing up. That is the, I guess, blower motor cover. Don't really know any other way to put it other than that. I think you're supposed to maybe push down and pull out. I don't know. Maybe pull up from the bottom. Let's see. Right. Now that little shield is out, I'm gonna clean this inside portion. City lights, they fade away. Holla molla. Okay. Getting there. I actually see the blower motor now, so I just gotta figure out how to take it out. And that is the blower motor out. Look at this thing filled with shit. Must have been rats in there for a little while. Gross, gross, gross. Probably gonna do one more little quick vacuum. Make sure I grab up those securing clips so I don't lose them. All right. At first glance, they're both the same height. That's good. From what I can see, electrical posts are the same, both sides. So that's good. I'm gonna throw this one in, see if it works. Hopefully, because I've had this on the shelf for a couple months now. FCP probably wouldn't take a return. Cold as ice. Broken clocks and late night fights. Okay, power, ground, on. It's clipped in. I'm gonna first see if it even. Nice. No more crazy noise. Woo! Although 3, 2, 1 doesn't work. Again, gonna be replacing that blue resistor right up there. All right, cool. And that's it all back together. Give this a little nice wipe down. It's gonna take me 10 minutes, not even.
1 hour later.
We outside. Today we have finally received. Just kidding. Not even finally. Ordered it 2 days ago when I was installing the blower motor. Resistor, I'm sorry. For the blower motor. Stand corrected. Got this on Amazon. I think it was like 15 bucks, 18 bucks. From A Premium, I believe. Same as factory. Or so it seems so far. 3 little coils. Those coils are the resistors. You got speed, fan speed 1, 2, and 3. Going back towards me. Now, my blower motor works on fan speed 4 only. That's because this guy is probably toast. Right here, that blue unit, little square right there is your resistor. You're gonna pop it out. These two little tabs. Use those little tabs to pry them out, and then grab the blower motor. Resistor. Sorry. This interior work sucks. Oh my lord. Holy moly. That thing was stuck in there. So just oop. Pop those Johnnies in. And then this guy. Yeah. Put those in. Yep, it's in. Looking pretty. Feels like we got blower one. I can hear it spinning. Fan speeds 1 and 2 feels the same. Let's see about 3 again. Not really. It's kind of just like breathing on you. I can kind of feel that. But 4, yeah. Well, I think I'll probably return it. Get an OEM one from like Auto House AZ or something local. All right. Well, that's how to do it. It's gonna take me 10 minutes. Not even. Checking in weeks later because, well, the day after I did the replacement of the resistor and the blower motor, it was working on all speeds, no problem. So that is all good, which is cool. Now I just got to get my AC working. I know the compressor is not even connected. Well, I know the belt's not even connected for the compressor, so it very well could be that. I'm gonna go test the system, well, at least see if it holds vacuum over at Trey's, and from there see if the AC will work. I have an extra compressor here at home. Replace the seals, maybe the Schrader valves, see what happens from there.